Here I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, which are here. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on Languages and Input. Now go to the first tab, which is Languages, and now simply click on Add a Language over here and select the one that you would like to have. As you can see, there's a wide list of languages. Let me pick, for example, this one, Italiano. And as you can see, now everything has been updated to Italian. Then if you would like to go back to English or change language one more time, just open the icon with the, let me show you, with the word over here, then select the first icon. And now at first you can delete Italiano permanently. Simply tap on more icon, click here, select the language that you would like to remove and click on the bin icon, confirm that you would like to delete it by tapping on OK. And then you can add a language, or you can simply have English back. So that's how you can change language in your device. You can do it whenever you want, whenever you need to. As you can see, it's a pretty quick process. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.